I will go in abroad in among the three countries. And I love the three countries because they are in Germany there is no cost of study, and also their environment, their place, the everything is too much good. And I love the every places, and I know about some places, and I also love too much explore. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. And thank you for giving me such great opportunity for say something about this environment. And then my name is Abdul Rahman, and I already said. And then my roll number is 5286, and I'm the student of batch 123. And it's a similar number, it's common. And then the environment of this English therapy, it's too much good. And when we come in outdoor session, it is also too much pretty. This natural environment, and then this green tea. And sir give us also permission for taking tea, some snacks, and we take snacks, we take tea, snacks, a lot of things, and we enjoy it too much. And I also try a lot of I'm trying too much practicing, and a lot of practicing I do, and I'm thinking one day I'll be a native speaker, because my future plan is one day I will go in abroad in America or German or Europe. Among the three countries, I will try too much for go. And first of all, I will plan that after SSC, I will do the coaching of IELTS, and after HSC, I'll give the exam of IELTS, and then I will go in abroad in among the three countries. And I love the three countries because they are in Germany there is no cost of study, and also their environment, their place, everything is too much good. And I love the every places, and I know about some places, and I also love too much explore. In exploring, I already gone in Saudi, in the Jin Hill, and then Uhud Hill, in Kaaba, and in also Medina. I explore a lot of places, and I love too much exploring. And there is some time I want to go any place, and at that time my mother said, "What you will go in when you go in this place? What you will do?" And a lot of things. Because my mother, I'm big son of my mother, that's why he take a lot of tension. Because what I will do and what I can, because I am also some naughty. That's why everyone give a lot of tension about me. And that's why my mother sometimes take attention that what I will do, and that's why my mother always not give me to go in this place or this place. And I think one day when I will big, at that time I will explore a lot of places. Like my one thing is, first of all, I will go in Kashmir, and then also Chitakundo. There are a lot of places in Bangladesh also, because Bangladesh too much natural beauty. It's a king or queen of natural beauty. And also Sundarban. In Sundarban there is a Royal Bengal tiger, and also deer, a lot of things there. And in Bangladesh, there are also in a side in Chattogram, there is some hill like Chitakundo, then Chandranath, then also Marayangtong, Khagrachuri, a lot of place there. And I like too much traveling. That's why I'm thinking one day when I will big, I will go with my friends or my family members. It's not matter. One day I will explore. Exploring is too much important for us, because when you explore any place, at that time we can know about their food, about their culture, about their clothes, about their home, about how they live, how they are spending their life. That we have to know, because we should expand our mind. And like this way, if we explore too much, then we can know too much, and by knowing we can do anything. And I think it's all about my a lot of things I will say about just their nature or their, and I say about my future plan, a lot of things. And then thank you so much for patiently listening and watching. See you again tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.